Today we're going to talk about the colors of the sea. I live on the Gulf Coast, so I paint a lot of seascapes, and the colors that I use in my beginners class to teach them how to paint the waters on the coast or in the ocean are lemon yellow and phthalo blue green shade, and we mix those colors to get a beautiful turquoise. So that's the easiest way to make a beautiful turquoise, which is the color of the water of the Gulf. It can vary lighter or darker, but it's generally a nice greeny turquoise color. If you don't want to mix your own colors, phthalo blue red shade is also handy for the deeper, darker shadows underneath the waves. Sea Glass is a beautiful turquoise by Da Vinci, which you can use right out of the tube. It's gorgeous. Ultramarine turquoise by Core is another one. It's on the greener side. This is more of a true turquoise. Phthalo turquoise by Da Vinci is actually this color, but you can see it does have a color shift, so you may need more than one layer of that, but it's also a gorgeous, more of a blue phthalo color. Phthalo turquoise is actually PB16, but it is a phthalo color. Leaf green, or by Da Vinci or by Holbein, is what I use for the breaking wave right at the thinnest part of the top of the wave, where you see this greenish yellow color. Indigo is one of the colors I use for the dark shadows underneath the waves. Cobalt turquoise. Now these are all transparent colors here, but when you start getting into the indigos, the cobalt turquoises, the viridian, cobalt green, and lavender, those are all more granulating colors, but they're very useful when you're painting the sea, especially when you're painting deep water. Cobalt turquoise is beautiful underneath the shadows of a boat or in deep, moody water, so it's very useful to have. Phthalo green is just a shortcut. If you don't want to mix these, you can just use phthalo green, but you do need to neutralize that because it's a very bright green. You can mix phthalo green and phthalo blue for a perfect turquoise also. If you want to neutralize anything that's too saturated, this is Azo orange. This is an M-gram color, but an orange will work to neutralize any blue and to make it more of a believable, earthier kind of color. So I hope you give this a try and you find this useful.